The aurora is not reflected light from the polar ice field, nor it is light from demon lantern as they reach for lost soul. That's the folks. The aurora is produced by the solar wind disturbing the magnetosphere. The disturbance involves high energy particle within the magnetosphere being ejected into the Earth upper atmosphere. So they excite the atoms and the molecules. The excited atmospheric gas then emit visible radiation which causes the sky to glow like a neon light. Let's examine the process more closely. A high energy particle from the magnetosphere collide with an air molecule or atom, then transfer some of its energy to the molecules. The molecule then become excited. So when the molecule de-excited, they release the energy originally they received from the energetic particle, either all of the energy at once, in one big jump, or in steps, several steps, step by step. They emit energy is given off as a radiation. If the wavelength is in the visible range, we see it as a visible light. In the northern hemisphere, we call this light show as a aurora boreal, or we can say northern light. In counterpart, in the southern hemisphere is the auroral austral, we call it southern light. Each atmospheric gas has its own sets of energy level. Each gas has its own characteristics of color. For example, if we say the de-excited or de-excitation of the atomic oxygen, the oxygen can emit green or red light. Molecular nitrogen gives red or violet light. So we know that atmosphere mostly consists of oxygen and nitrogen. So this excitation and de-excitation happens within mostly within nitrogen and oxygen. So the aurora is most frequently seen in the polar region. Energetic particles tapped into the magnetosphere move along the Earth's magnetic field. So the aurora happens because of the excited molecules that absorb energy and then de-excited, release energy in this form. This released energy become visible light, and this visible light is spectacular that is strike in our eye and our brain process as it northern light or southern light.